Away, tip-off is won by Blue. In turnovers, stolen by Santos. Use ball rep. Inbound to Doron. Muntik na maagaw. 12 to shoot. Doron hindi.
Hindi, si Doron.
Kala, kamukha. Ayun na, Espadero. Rebound Espadero. Espadero. Huli ka kay number 19. 18 pala. 18. Nagmamadali. 18. Grab it na foul. Who's foul rep?
Ano yung kinain mo, Mon?
Di niya lang.
May foul lang, may foul.
May foul yun, may foul.
Ito ba ito? Number 18. Super. Ito. Mabalik 3 years. 18 din. First shot.
Isa, pasok yun.
Second shot. No good. Rebound number 19. Number 19. 2 points for number 19.
Daming supportive.
Our score 3-0 in favor of Team Blue. Number 7 picked up by number 1. Number 1 sa green defense. Muntik na. Oh! Turnover by Santos. Assist. Wala. All lang yun.
Tensionado.
Number 1 nababaan ng bola. 9 minutes remaining in the first quarter. 18 to shoot. Inasa sa corner. Sa ilalim. Turnover. Number 1. Espadero ngayon nagbababaan ng bola. Espadero pa din. 20 to shoot. Binangga si number 1. Foul! Offensive foul. Espadero. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Pas pa.
Well,
Hey! Akin! Akin!
number 18 tiyan sa Hawk si Nate.
Hey! Akin!
Bingin naman ito.
Lepo Musen. Number 1 ngayon nagbababa ng bola. 19 to shoot. Nepo Musen. Basta number 18. Tumira ng mid-range. No good. Nabubulo na kayo.
Naglalag yung
Number 18 niya ako bola. Pinasa. Muntik na namago ni Rios. Kuha ni Santos. Santos ngayon nagbababa ng bola. Wait lang daw, 16 to shoot. Espadero, may hawak na bola. Espadero passes to the metal. Turnover. Espadero. Okay pa.
Uno!
Springael, may hawak na bola. 17 to shoot. Springael, crosses over. Stolen by Rios. Pinasa ay Santos up. Traveling! Casey, tawag ka ni Kuya Bobs.
Pwede mo yung bola.
Casey Hardendorf. Paging Casey Hardendorf, you are summoned. Number 1, may hawak na bola. Number 1, pinasa kay Nick. Naagaw ni Santos. Santos ngayon nagmamadali. Santos turning on to this. Picked up by Springael. Left hand layup is good. 2 points for Santos. Shot clock is at 19. Nate, pinasa kay Springael. Muntik naman 8 seconds. Number 18, pinasa kay number 1. 13 to shoot. Our score 3-2 in favor of Team Blue. Number 1, pinasa kay 18. 18 takes a 3. 7 to shoot. Pinasa kay Springael. Springael, no good. Rebound ni Rios. Pinigil kay Santos. Santos ngayon nababaan ng bola. 18 on the shot clock. Espadero may hawak. Espadero, 14 to shoot. Espadero, driving, spinning. Passes to Rios. No good. Rebound Rios. Cleanup is good by Rios. Or lamang na ang blue ng isang puntos. 18 may hawak ng bola. 15 to shoot.
Alec, balik sa point guard.
13 on the shot clock. Pinalik kay number 1. 10 to shoot. Tries a 3. 3 is good. Assist by number 18.
Yung kapatid nung ano, sinama ni Frankie.
Stolen by number 1. Number 1 nagmamadali. No, number 1, 2 points.
Malaking tayo yan.
Santos pinasa kay Espadero. Takes a 3. Grants. Left hand layup is good by Espadero. Number 19 ngayon naghahawak ng bola. Number 19 driving to the paint. Bitawan, stolen. Hindi ko nakita yung number pero Espadero na yung bamadali. Stolen by number 31. Espadero, left hand layup. Layup by Espadero is good. Stolen by 31.
Okay, alam niya ako yung mob.
Nate ngayon ay hawak ng bola. Nate man. 17 on the shot clock. Nate man pulls up. Is no good. Rebound ni 31. 31 pinasa kay Espadero. Espadero turning on the Jets. Espadero pa rin. Espadero bumping foul. Ingat po tayo.
Wait lang, free throw pa. Free throw.
Sa rep, change 5 rep. Change 5.
Kumain ng lupa.
4 muna, 4.
Espadero. First shot is good by Espadero. Hindi naman sasabay yung diba? Sasabihin ng second shot.
Yung ka na kay Evan.
Second shot is no good. Rebound ni Espadero pa rin. Espadero pull up 3. Ay, pull up 2.
Aray ko.
Rebound in 2 points.
Gago si Lucas.
Uy, puta.
Espadero. Checking into the game. Lucas.
Oy,
and
bakit?
Miales.
Oy.
Francis ngayon may hawak ng bola. Picked up by Arreglo. 18 to shoot. Francis nagtuturo. Pinasa kay hindi ko nakilala. Pero no good. Rebound ni Boy. Pinasa ni Francis sa ilalim. No good. Rebound ni Aquino. 2 points for Aquino. Rebound.
Grabe si Lucas.
Number 10 rebound. Last assist. Ay, hindi. Wala pa assist. 2 points down. Yung number 10. Turnover. Arreglo. Rebound number 10.
Ang cute eh, no?
Luna, bumangga. Pinasa kay Aquino. Balik kay Luna. Nagaw ni Arreglo. Arreglo ngayon nabawa na bala. Arreglo turning on the Jets. Nope. Sets the ball. Up. Muntik na mabitawan. Turns over the ball. Time remaining in the first quarter, 4 minutes. Our score 11 to 10 in favor of Team Black. Cabales. Pinasa kay Prince. Prince. No foul called.
Ayan, Paul.
May pag-
Ayan, dyan.
Francis. 16 to shoot. Kuha ni Boy. Boy. 2 points for number 20. 2 points. Vince kayo nagbababa ng bola. Muntik na maago ni Luna. Picked up by, Arreglo. Arreglo may hawak ng bola. 15 to shoot. Arreglo drives to the paint. 2 points for Arreglo. Three minutes remaining in the first quarter. Francis ngayon may hawak ng bola.
Hirap yan, pre, pag natamaan na.
Francis. No good. Rebound Aquino. Who's the left? 12. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 points Aquino. Bonus shot is good. 3 points for Aquino. Arreglo may na wala. 18 to shoot. Arreglo tumira na rin. Foul! Foul, Patrick. Luna. First personal foul, second team
Foul
foul.
si Patrick.
3 points. 3 shots for Arreglo. First shot for Arreglo is good. Oh, second team.
Get!
Arreglo. Second shot is good. Kahit sino team mo. Huwag nyo na i-design mo sa team mo. Last shot for Arreglo. No basket now. Stepping over the line. Our score all tied up at 15. Time remaining 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Francis pinasa kay Boy. Back to Francis. 15 to shoot. Screen. Takes a 3. Pinasa kay Francis kay, I forgot. Pinasa kay Aquino. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Foul. Offensive foul. Aquino.
Ano yun?
Light ball pala. Sorry. 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Arreglo may out na bola. Picked up by Luna. Arreglo. 17 to shoot. Pinasa kay Prince. Takes a 3. Traveling.
Prince! Huwag ka na mag-dribble. Uy, ano ba? Pag dumating.
Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Sunod, di ako. Third mo na ako.
16 on the shot clock. Francis pinasa kay Boy. Mali ka markaw. Back to Francis. Doesn't take a 3. 11 to shoot. Francis. Pass to... 3 points. Number...
Wala
Wait lang,
namin
pagkamali ko na lang. Arreglo, 2 points. Number 10.
Nangina kami doon sa
Hindi. Number
Tira nila.
30.
Ayaw nila kasi maniwala.
13 to shoot. Francis, pinasa kay 30 again. 30, tumira ng tres. No good. Rebound, Luna. Kuha ni Boy. Luna may hawak, pinasa kay Francis. What? Good yan. Good ball.
Wala! Oy!
Matira na bago mag-shot clock eh. 40 seconds remaining. Francis, gonna take a 3. Francis. Turnover. Palakasak-kasak. 31 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Lamang ang...
Black tip!
Lam-
Blue!
Lamang ang blue ng isa. 20 seconds remaining. Shot clock is at 16. 34. Nakalusot. No good. Rebound ni... No rebound. Last 10 seconds remaining. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rebound ni number 20.
Ay, sorry kuya, ano? Sorry kuya Pat.
May foul, well, 18 daw foul kanina. Isang foul lang. First personal foul. Number 1 ngayon may hawak na bola. Pass to the corner. Go to Espadero. Steal by Espadero. Pass by Espadero. Stolen lang by Espadero. Pass sa ilalim, no good. Rebound ni number 1. Number 1 ngayon nagmamadali. Number 1. Stolen by number 7. Santos. Layup is good. Santos. Number 1 nagbababa na bola. Number 1 nagmamadali. Number 1. Nope, naagaw ni Santos ulit. Santos ngayon nagmamadali. Santos akin na to. Nope. Pantayan. Pero si Espadero nandun. Espadero recovers the ball. Layup. Rebound number 8. Rios is good. Rebound by Rios. 2 points. Oops, stolen again by... Hindi ko nakita. Pero stolen. Stolen by number 16. Okay, number 1 passes to the corner. Sabia for 3! No good. Rebound number 19 spins. 2 points for number 19. Rebound number 19.
JJ, depensa!
Santos pinasa kay Espadero. Bitawan ng bola, pero na-save niya. 16. No foul score. Kuha ni number 1. Number 1 humingi ni number 19. Pinasa kay number 19. Number 19 nagmamadali number 19. Spinning. Who's foul ref? 16. 31. 31 foul. 31 foul. First team foul.
Jollibee.
Number 19. No good. First shot is no good.
Diyan yun.
Second shot for number 19. It's good. Number 19.
Oh, depensa!
Second shot is good. Santos pinasa kay Espadero. 70 to shoot. Espadero. No look pass. No good. Rebound Malyare. Malyare. Pinasa kay number 19. Number 19 ngayon nagmamadali. 18 to shoot. Number 19 going coast to coast. Pero munting kapasa. Number 19 recover the ball. Number 19 goes to coast. No foul gone. Number 19 pa rin. No good. Rebound ni Rios. Ngayon may ako ball. Number 16. 16. Pinagaw ni number 1. Number 1 behind the back pass. Kay number 19. Number 19 ngayon may ako ball. Number 19 ulit. Number 19 going coast to coast. Pinasa kay JJ. JJ! No good. Rebound Nate! Nathan! Nagaw ni... Wait lang, agawan po ko. Who's ball rin? Same ball. Our score, all 21. May nakuha ni foul. Number 13. Second personal foul, second team foul. Nate, tumanggap ng bola. 21 on the shot clock. Number 1, 18 to shoot. Pinasa sa corner. JJ tumira na tres! God bless! Una, may celebration na si JJ. Hindi na malupit. Lamang ng tatlo ang blue. Pinasa kay Rios.
Nice to Jay!
Cannot connect the pass.
Jay, pwesto!
Number 1 ngayon may out ng bola. I say, bigay mo kay JJ, heat check. Yan na nga, heat check. JJ, hindi. Heat check, hindi. Number 1, no good. Rebound ni Nate, follow up, no good. Rebound ulit ni Nate. Reverse layup ni Nate, no good. Rebound ni number 31, nope. Ako ni Nate. Nate, may out ng bola. Nate, nakago yung 31. Pinasang Espadero, Espadero. Ang bilis ni Espadero, Mighty Mouse. Is good. 2 points for Espadero. Good hustle daw, sabi ng coach. Number 1 may out ng bola, 16 to shoot. Number 1, pinasa kay number 19, 11 to shoot. Number 19 takes a long 3, no good. Rebound Espadero. Espadero turning on the Jets once again. Oh, picked up by number 1.
Time out daw.
Time out, rep! Wala pa nga eh. Pinatay ko lang. Inbound pass to Rios, no good. Rebound ni Nate. Nate turning on the left. Nate, yan na. Nate, akin na to! No good. Rebound Rios. Binigay kay Santos. Santos ngayon may hawak ng bola. Santos, 6 to D, 18 to shoot. Santos, binigay kay Espadero. Espadero, pinasa sa ilalim. 2 points for number 31. Assist by Espadero.
Andre, kunin mo, Andre.
Number 19, ni hawak. 18 to shoot. Number 19, turnover. Espadero may hawak ng bola. Espadero. Pinasa kay number 31 again. 2 points for 31. Assist by Espadero. Change by Brett. Our score 27 to 24 in favor of Team Black. Francis came out ng bola. 5 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Francis driving to the paint. Pass finds Aquino. No good. Aquino rebound again. Bumps. Foul. Who's foul rip? Who's foul rip? 34. First personal foul. Third. Team.
Ang bigat iba yung kailangan din. Pasok na bala. Ang bigat iba yung kailangan.
Ano? Second quarter niya. Aquino. First shot is good. Second shot for Aquino. Si Karin shot is good.
Sino ang lalaro mo dito?
Arreglo, tumulak ng bola. Lamang ng isa ng team. Arreglo. Arreglo. Leads the D. Finds the corner 3. Prince finds Arreglo. 15 to shoot. Arreglo finds Cabales. 10 to shoot. Cabales finds Arreglo again. 8 to shoot. Arreglo spinning. Pulls it up. No good. Rebound ni Cabales. Cabales. No good. Rebound ni Boy. Francis kayo umawak ng bola. 18 to shoot. Number 18. No good. Rebound ni Aquino again. Aquino. 2 bar. Ano yun? Hindi pala. Rebound ni Patrick. Binigay kay Aquino. Assist by Patrick. 2 points for Aquino.
Assist by Patrick. Bang! Megatron. Assist by
Wala.
Megatron.
Assist by Patrick. 18 to shoot.
Megatron, Megatron.
4 minutes remaining. Arreglo long range. No good. Rebound ni Aquino. 4 minutes remaining. Namang ng blue ang gusto. 16 on the shot clock. Pass to Aquino. Tries a 3. No good. Rebound ni Vince. Pass to Arreglo. Arreglo may nababa na bola. Arreglo picked up by Patrick. Pass to Prince. 2 points for Prince. Assist by Arreglo. Good court vision. Francis came out ng bola. 18 to shoot. Pass to 18. Oh! Who's foul rep?
Si Prince.
Rep, who's foul? Number 2.
Si Prince,
First personal foul.
Si King. Si Prince.
Warning for penalty. 18 niya ang bola. 18. Libre sa floater. 2 points for number 18. Assist by Francis. Arreglo may ang bola namang ng isang blooper muna ni Patrick. Pina sa team number 18, number 9, layup is no good. Rebound ni number 34, Pina sa number 2, may ang bola si Prince. Prince pala to, Prince, Pina sa Arreglo, 18 to shoot. Pina sa corner, Cabales for 3.
Wow!
Rebound ni Francis, Francis turning on the desk, 3v1 situation, muntik na mabitawan, Francis niya may ang bola. 19 to shoot, Francis may ang bola. 16 to shoot. Pina sa kay Boy. No foul call. Who's ball rip? Black ball. Our score 30 to 29, lamang ng isa ang blue. It's a close game, but it's still an early one. Arreglo may ako ng bola. Last 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Arreglo, floater by Arreglo is good. Lamang ng isa ang black. Salitan na sila ng lamang. 18 on the shot clock. Francis. 13 to shoot. Pinasa kay 18. 10 to shoot. Pinasa kay Boy. Boy tries a 3. No good. Rebound ni Prince. Oh, hindi kumagaw. Nakuha ni Arreglo. Picked up by 18. Ang daming picked up kay Arreglo. Pero nakita ni si Prince. 15 to shoot. Prince. Huli ka kay Aquino. Aquino may akong bola. 2v1 situation. Aquino. Akin na to. 2 points. Aquino.
May sound effect lang. Hoy, utak! Hoy, utak!
Amang ng isang blue ulit. Vince tries a 3. No good! Rebound in number 24, 2 points is no good! Rebound number 18, 18 na ako bola, 18. Last 1 minute and 16 seconds. Francis, no good! Arreglo na ako bola, Arreglo. Arreglo, pira sa kay Vince. Vince! Nagkakali ng pasa. Last 1 minute. Oh! Foul. Arreglo. 6-7. First personal foul. Penalty. Penalty rep. Making his way to the court. Pambansang pogi ng Yariawan. Jan Del Rosario, kaway-kaway ka naman dito. Ayan o. Hangover pa yan. Second shot is good. Last 1 minute in the second quarter. Arreglo, may akong bola. Arreglo, nabitawan.
Black, black.
Nag-iisa si Bajo, pero hindi umaabot si Vic. Yan na, sumabay pa si Vic. Huli ka! Kay Vince Cabales. Shot clock is set at 19. 45 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Para kang boss ah.
Inbound play.
Oma, Oma.
Luna inbounding. Finds Floyd. Good if it goes, no good. Rebound ni Prince. Nasa Arreglo. Last 40 seconds.
Oh no!
Nakuha ni Vince. Ang bilis ni Vince. Pero no good na rin. Alat ni Vince ngayon. 18 pinasa kay Aquino. Aquino, no good. Rebound ni Patrick Palom, no good. Rebound ni Aquino. Aquino, 2 points is good. Last one.
Nice.
Foul. Who's foul rep?
Patrick!
11. First, second personal foul. First team foul. 18 to shoot. Finds Prince in the corner. Runner is no good. Rebound Aquino, last 10 seconds. Aquino, 2v1 situation. Francis libre. No good! Rebound ni Aquino pa rin. Aquino, foul. Number 12, penalty. Pangalan si Vince. First personal foul. Vince Cabas. First shot by Aquino is good. Second shot Aquino.
May
Is good.
umungol! May umungol! Ang ina
Last
po
2 seconds.
Oh yeah!
No good. And that's the end of the first half. Number 13, pinasa kay Rios. Yes, Rios pinasa kay number 16. Assist by number 31. Francis pinasa kay net 18. Binibalik kay Francis 12 to shoot. Francis
Ayan na, Jollibee niyo, pre.
Airball.
Ayan no! Ayan no! Soft boy, soft boy. Soft boy, soft boy.
Ang soft boy ng katarungan, Sean Hartendorf.
Eh! Ulo, ulo, ulo!
Eme lang yun, di yan soft boy. Hard boy yan eh. Hard-headed.
Hard back!
Rebound ni number 19. 20 on the shot clock.
Kuha siya
16 to shoot. Francis ni half na pala. Francis, pinasa kay number 19. Number 19, Granning. Nakita yung corner pero turns it over. Our score, 37 to 33. Lamang pa rin ang team blue. Santos ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Espadero. 18 to shoot. Espadero. Pinasa kay number 16. Number 16. Pinasa kay Rios. Ay, kay 31 pero rebound ni Rios. Pinasa kay 16. 2 points. Assist by Rios. Lamang ng dalawa ang team ay blue. 15 to shoot. Pinasa ni Francis. No good. Rebound ni 16. Espadero tumanggap. Espadero turning on again. Espadero! No good. Rebound ni number 19. Number 19 ngayon bababa naman. Number 19. Pinasa kay Francis floater. No good. Rebound ni number 16. Number 16 nagmamali. Number 16 nabitawan ng bola. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Yan, number 7. Yes, sir. 3 points. Number 7. Kinaliwa. Siguro magaling itong kinaliwa.
Wow!
14 to shoot.
Upal! Sab daw, oh, sab. Sab
Sab
daw
rep.
si Nate, sab daw si Nate.
Sub-rep. Foul rep. Who's foul rep din? Third personal foul.
Hoy, wag kayo maingay ah.
First team foul.
Wag kayo maingay ah. Sino palit? Shady, baho.
Espadero. Sub-rep.
Sab, sab, sab.
Arreglo in.
Oy!
Sino may ignite?
Ayun o, mga maingay oh. Huwag kayo maingay!
Yung
Yung kambal, yung kambal.
Look! Pag may nagiging sa grupo niya, susuko kay ate mo. Hindi ko tuloy nakita. First shot ko ba?
Kupal, wala.
Wala. Second shot.
Kupal kasi ito eh, ang ingay eh.
Ako lang pwede mag-ingay. Ako may hawak ng mic.
Wow!
Second shot, no good. Rebound number 16. Number 16, nagmamadali number 16, number 16, pinasa ay, Areglo, fakes. 2 points, no good, short. Rebound number 16, number 16, 2 points, number 16. Lamang ng tatlo,
Lalapitin mo
Black.
nakita.
Number 19, 18 to shoot. May hawak ng ball. 16 to shoot. Pinasa, no, nabinaw ni Nick. Iago ni Nick. Nick, step through. Pinasa sa ilalim.
Sab.
Sa rep.
Sab.
Ano ba? Oh, sa rep na.
Sab.
Francis!
Mumula ko.
Last 7 minutes. Yan na, inbound play. Aquino dun nangyari is good.
Grabe yun.
Lamang yung isa, ang team black. Areglo, may hawak naman. Areglo. 2 points for Areglo. 1 man on you. Number 1 may hawak ng bola. Naman nagpatlo ang team blue. Number 1. Grabs to the paint. No good. Rebound ni Aquino. Big man move.
Sab daw. Wala.
Goal yan, pwede mag-sub.
Mamaya na daw. Negro, tinegro.
Queuing. Areglo, pinasa kay Diaz. 16 on the shot clock. Areglo, pinasa kay Santos. Takes a 2. Yes, sir! 3 points. Assist by Areglo. Lamang. Team. Ay, left. Aquino tries a 3.
Bakit? Galit sila eh. Galit sila dyan. Galit
Nate,
sila
nahabol
namin.
naman. No, number 10. Bawal sa commentator. Arlando!
Kanina pa yun, no?
Ang galing mga liwa ni Santos. Grabe.
Wow!
Matulog ang mga liwa.
Ah!
Right hand dito eh. Hindi ako sa kaliwa. Ayan ang big man. Hindi na. Huli pa rep.
Sub kami, sub.
Buti pa.
Sab daw.
Sa rep. Hindi ko wala ako. Tama. Walang kiniling. Natos na. 31. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 2 points.
Public depensa! On!
Nate man.
Ang nga.
Scream mo ako bola. Scream. Nakagawin ng Aquino. Nate man. Pinasa kay Luna. Likod ni Brent.
Wow!
Last 5 minutes remaining in the third quarter. No good. Aquino rebound. Pinasa kay Tate. Nate, balik kay Luna. Nakita ulit. Luna. Move lang.
Natapon yung tabaw.
Diktin. Ato yung diktin. Ang hang.
Ang di ba? Ang hang.
Kira ba yun? Time out kami, time out.
Time out daw nila. Pag na-shoot.
Lamang ng tatlo ang team black. Areglo. Grabe ito na ba? Areglo. No good. Rebound number 19. Pass to Nate man. Nate man, last 4 minutes. Nakaw ni Areglo. Areglo. Behind the line. Foul, ref. Time out, ref. Wow. Nakawalan cellphone. Thank you, kuya. Areglo. Last 4 minutes. Nakuha ni Vin. Vin, pinasa sa corner. Santos, heat check. No good. Rebound number 19. Oh, turn forward.
Ang up. What's a wrap? Pay out tissue. ARD. Opo, isa lang po. Opo.
Santos na kay Areglo. Number 3.
Wow!
Areglo. Assist by Santos.
Hindi nyo pa nakakalaban block, di ba?
First game namin yan eh.
17 on the shot clock.
Ulan eh.
Nate man. Bunts.
Pasa.
Pass to number 1. 8 to shoot. No good. Rebound ni Patrick. 2 points for Patrick.
Hoy, yung maingay dyan ha. Yung maingay dyan ha.
Vince pinalik kay Santos. Santos. Foul. Number 1. Ayun si number 1. First personal foul.
Listen.
Second team foul.
Saan na daw yung Gabi? Sabi na to. Papunta.
Last 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. 17 on the shot clock. Santos. In and out. Rebound ni Prince. No. Rebound 34. Foul. Who's foul rep?
Baby, baby.
Who's foul rep? 11. Third personal foul.
Meron ba ako dito?
13 foul. 13 foul.
Charis.
Technic. One more. Tumawid si Patrick.
Hoy, Patrick.
Magulang ka. Magulang ka. Natututo ka.
Yung maingay yung
First shot.
Wow.
Silence the haters, number 34. Silence the haters. Oy!
Silent diner. Sakit.
Second shot. No good. Rebound, number 34. 34, power move. No. Napitawan. Nakagaw ni. Nakuha ni Prince. Net. Nakuha ni Prince. Nakuha ni Alec. Alec for three. No good. Rebound, McMahon. Nakuha ni Aquino. 19 to shoot. Aquino bringing down the ball. 16 to shoot. Aquino. Try sa mid-range. Mid-range. No good. Rebound ni Patrick. Patrick. May hawk ng bola. 54 to 49 lamang ang team black.
Pasok sa akin.
No good. Oh, nakuha ni Patrick pero nakuha ni Arego. Oh, hindi kumagay Patrick. Arego. Pinasa number 7. Oh. Traveling. Deported from the Philippines. No visa.
Sila ko yung Alvin.
Last 2 minutes. Dead ball. 18 on the shot clock. Number 1. Pinasa kay number 19. Number 19 driving. No fouls called. Rebound ni Aquino. Foul. 34. Panginoon si 34. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Ulitin ko po, may nawawalang cellphone. Pag walang kumuha within a day, akin na to. Subrep!
Hoy, ito to. Ibibenta mo sa ano?
Hindi, akin na to. Pang ML.
Kanino ba yan?
Good point. Hot tayo.
Sinanla pero hindi alam yung ano. Password.
18 to shoot. 6-7. No good. Patrick. Subrep! May picture eh. Hindi ko madali.
Nice, Erio.
Buddy!
Banding.
Kamukha ni Ben eh. Pag kumusta si Ben eh. Sakto, nakasombrero.
Ay, si ano yan?
Rebound number 19, number 19, number 19, 20 to shoot, number 19, Euro Steves. Foul, number 2. Paano si Prince? Second personal foul.
Si Paul yun.
Warning or penalty.
Huge to, di ba? Ay, hindi.
Yan, taga doon.
Wah, tanongin mo nga.
First shot for number
Yun, tanongin mo si
19
Yun.
is good.
Josh, tanongin mo nga si Josh kung may dalawang
Second. First, ay, no good. No good on second shot. Rebound ni Nate Man spinning.
Yung big man nyo rin eh.
Nate Man Malera.
Big man nyo nga rin. Josh, check.
Arega pinasa kay Cabanes, 6 to 3. No good. Rebound ni Luna. Luna pass to number 1, turning on against number 1.
Tap
Pass
down,
to number
kay
19,
Josh.
number 19.
Tap down, kay Josh.
Dead ball. Lamang na ang team blue ng isa. Last 1 minute remaining. Arreglo, may out na ball. Arreglo, behind the back. Arreglo. 2 points. Basic move. Last 40 seconds.
Tanungin lang.
Nick Man Gerard to the paint. No good. Kuha ni Prince. Nope. Basta ko ulit. Subrep.
Sab.
Subrep.
Aquino out.
Last 30 seconds remaining. Fourteen on the shot clock. Cabales sumanggap. No good. Rebound ni number 1.
Grabe!
60 seconds. Prince, no good. Rebound ni Prince again. Binigay kay Cabales. Cabales, 10 to shoot. Back to the corner. Areco. Wow, no good. Rebound ni Luna. Last 3 seconds. 2, 1. No good. And we're going into the fourth and final quarter. Francis ngayon ang ball.
Uy, umalis.
Francis. Side step, no good. Rebound ni Bao, who's fouled it? Number 9. Number 9. First personal foul, first team foul. Santos, pinasa kay Areco. 60 to shoot. Areco tries to 3. No good. Rebound number 16. Number 16. Number 16. 2 points. Number 16. Francis, 15 to shoot. Francis, no foul. Let's go. Ang laki. Inbound pass by Patrick. 10 to shoot. Foul. Who's not it? 6-7. 6-7. Oy, maganda si Eric.
Ikaw rin, siyempre.
First personal foul, first team foul. Di pala. Second personal foul. Inbound pass to number 1. Number 1 no good. Di pa ni number 30. Number 30. Number 30, pinasa kay 18. 18, pinasa kay Francis. Francis, tumanggap ng bola. Pinigay kay number 1. Number 1, running floater short. Rebound ni Patrick. Patrick, no good. Rebound ni number 7. Number 7, pinasa kay, oh! Inyapan ni number 16, number 16. Oy, si number 16, may pasa doon.
Basa.
Referee timeout.
Number 9.
No, Francis, warning for technical.
Ba't basa doon?
Tanungin nyo dyan, oh.
Uy, ba't basa dyan?
Tanungin nyo
Bakit
dyan,
pasa
oh.
dyan? Sino umihi? Sino push daw dyan? Si Justin, ikaw rin may pakanta.
Dapat may map tayo, LB, para makasab-sab kami. Sab-sab.
Sab kayo, team. Team. Sab rep. Pwede mag-sab?
Pwede ba?
Rep, pwede mag-sab? Sab rep, sab rep. Kume kayo, sab kayo kume. Hindi raw sila kume.
Gutom na si Kent Sarsa.
Coach na, commissioner pa.
Yung commentator, gutom na. Gusto na yung free lang. Joke na. Yun naman, yung hero. Oh.
LB, may masasabi, oh.
Wait lang. Komento na. May pasahan dito, may pasahan.
Di ba?
Di ba, mamaya pa magbubuo.
Nakakauhaw. O dahil hanggang ako.
Papapapap, yaw! Ayan daw. Ayan naman ang order natin.
Oy, thank you. Nakabala ko si Jollibee. Thank you.
Ayan naman ang order
Dito na
natin.
lang. Typart pa.
Bye. Ano, gilid tayo.
Kaya pakilala ko, okay.
Diyan, gilid tayo.
Santos pinasa kay Arecto, 18 to shoot. Damang ng 20 laps. Rios pinasa kay Santos, 13 to shoot. Santos kumuha si Espadero, 10 to shoot. Picked up by Francis, tao-tao ng labanan. 7 to shoot, muntik na mapitawan. 5 to shoot, libre-libre si Rios! 2 points for Rios. First shot. Assist by Espadero. 18 to shoot, tamang na 5 ang team black. Francis, 12 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 8. No good. Rebound ni Francis. Jack lock reset. 20 to shoot. Francis. Pinasa kay Nickman. 15 to shoot. Nathan. Layup is good. Nick Mayer. Seventeen to shoot, 16, may hawak naman. Tawa-tawa ang labanan, 16. Hinamon si Nate pero pinasa kay Rios. Rios, 2 points. Assist by number 16. Francis, nagat na papasaan, 18 to shoot. Francis, binigay kay 18. 13 to shoot, Francis ulit. 11 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Francis to Nate. 5 to shoot. Nate, pull up. Pinasa kay Luna. 3 to shoot. 3-second violation.
Dalawa pa. May tatlo pa. Tatlo pa. Pero pag 3 minutes.
Last 7 minutes remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Santos pass to number 16. Number 16. Short. Rebound ni Rios. Rios, pinasa kay Espadero. Espadero picked up by Francis. 19 to shoot. Was the call rep. Lifting.
Tatlo pa sa inyo kasi hindi ka nag-timeout kanina.
Sub rep. Sub rep. Nakasap na. Back to the ball game. Our score is 62 to 57. Namang ang team black ng 5. We have 14 to shoot. Nate Man, 18 to shoot. 3 points. Number 18. Assist by Nate Man. Espadero, nagamit ng pabusahan, 18 to shoot. Espadero turning on the Jets. Espadero, left hand layup, no good. Rebound number 18, pass to Francis. Francis ang kamadali. Francis. Pero ando si Espadero sa likod. Ang pizza ka ni Espadero. Santos pinasa kay Espadero, umakabuli si Francis. Francis, yan na. Huwago ni Francis ulit. Pero, wait lang. Santos nakatanggap. Santos takes a 3. No good. Rebound Aquino. Good ball. 18 to shoot. Nate Man spins. Pass to 18. 18 heat check. No good. Rebound Nate Man. Pinasa kay Francis. 2 points. Assist by Nate. Arecto tumanggap. Arecto picked up by Luna. Arecto, binilisan si Patrick. No foul score. Nadulas pa. Rebound ni Patrick, binigay kay Francis. Francis, all 62 on score. 19 to shoot. 16 to shoot. Pinasa kay Aquino. Binigay kay Nate. 12 to shoot. Nate driving. No good. Rebound, Aquino. No good. Rebound ni Santos. Ako ni Francis. Pinasa kay Patrick. 2 points. Sabre. Wala. Dead ball. Santos ngayon. Santos. Driving. 2 points. All 64 in score. 18 to shoot. Last 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Oh, nakagaw ni Arejo. Foul. Number 9. Unspot.
Sub na.
Sub-rep. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Arreglo, pinasa kay Rios. Tawa pa rin ang labanan. Arreglo, picked up kay Luna. 18 to shoot. Arreglo. Nope, naagaw. Nope, recover. Oh, rebound ni. Hindi ko makita. Wait lang. Agawin mo ko. Oh, traveling! You cannot do that. Thou shall not allow. In back play, our score all tied up at 64. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 18 to shoot. 18. Pull-up jumper. no good. Rebound ni Arreglo. Arreglo na yun, Maulay. Arreglo, 3v3 situation. Arreglo, pinasa kay Cabanes. Cabanes, no good. Rebound ni Patrick. Binigay kay 18, 18, binigay kay Francis, 31, yes, 22. Francis. Grabbing, no good. Rebound ni Aquino. Aquino! Wow! Who's foul rep? 16, 31. 31. Okay lang si 31. Sub rep. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul. 31. Warning per graduation ka na. Maunahan mo pa ako graduate. Lahat na may hamaw din. Aquino, first shot is good.
Time out kami, time out.
Good shoot. Good shoot.
Ayun, bawal.
Second shot is good. Vince, ngayon may hawak na bola. 66 to 64 ang labanan. 16 may hawak. 16 on the shot clock. 16, 13 to shoot, 16. Pass is good. Rebound ni Aquino. Aquino, meron naman na Aquino. Aquino, 3v2 situation. Aquino, pinangga si Arreglo. No good. Rebound ni number 16 and turning on the net. Number 16. Foul. Number 11. Warning for graduation, Patrick. Team foul. Time out rep. 20 seconds. Yamang ang team blue ng dalawa. First shot is good.
Bert. Paino na ako, Bert.
Second shot
Sige, bili ako.
is no good. Rebound ni Nick.
Pinili mo, Bert. Art wheel. Magkano bili mo?
13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 18. 8 to shoot. Pinasa sa ilalim. Huli ka! Erios. Rebound ni Santos. Binigay kay Arreglo. Hinahabol ni Nateman. No. Arreglo tries a three. Yes, sir! 68.
Pinaliwanag.
Grabe, dalawa nakangaliwa. Ang galing.
Wala!
Doble ang pangangaliwa. 16 to shoot.
Nakakuyuwi eh.
12 to shoot. Nateman. Nakatawa si 16. 9 to shoot. Pinasa kay Francis. 6 to shoot. 4, 3, 2. Okay, shot clock, reset. Well, nice pass. No good. Rebound Aquino again. 2 points Aquino.
Grabe si Aki.
All 68 ang score. Grabe, hindi lumalamang ng 10. Laging salitan lang ang score. Harina. 15 to shoot. Harina. 13 to shoot. Harina. Who's foul rep? Line ball? Ano? Foul? No. 18. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bios inbound to Arreglo. 20 on the shot clock. Last 2 minutes. Oh! Nagaw ni Patrick. Ang busy Patrick. 18 to shoot. Arreglo. No good. Rebound ni Aquino. 20 to shoot. Aquino. Picked up by Rios. 17 to shoot. Nakauntik naman ko rin Espadero. Aquino. Pinasa kay Patrick na pinawa ni Patrick. Sayang. Our score all 68. Mukhang overtime ko. Time out rep. Time out. Blue.
Uwi ka rin, Bert.
Kume, may timeout ka pa, Kume. Better use it. Alvin Canales, may timeout ka pa. Kume. Arreglo may hawak ng bola. 18 to shoot. Arreglo, pinasa sa corner. Espadero pinasa kay Rios. 2 points, no good. Rebound ni Francis. Pinasa kay 18 ni Freddy sa 3. No good. Rebound ni Espadero. Espadero turning on the Jets. Espadero, Arreco, 4v2 situation. No foul is called. Rebound ni Rios. Rios, 2 points. No good. Rebound ni Espadero. Corner 3 by Arreglo. No good. Rebound pa rin ni Espadero. Grabe. Espadero bumping. Foul. Number 27.
Baon!
27. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty rep.
Penalty rep.
Penalty, penalty!
Penalty na Team Blue. Last 56 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. First shot for Espadero. No good. It's off the left. Second shot for Espadero. Lumayo siya. Ay, kala lumayo na ang free throw eh. Aray, nagkamatid. Second shot. It's good. Lamang ng isa ang Team Black. 17 to shoot. 13 to shoot. Nabitawan ni Francis ang bola. Oh, hindi na. Yun lang. Turnover. Hindi nakaharap si Arreglo. Last 40 seconds remaining. Lamang pa rin ang Team Black ng isa. Anyone's ball game. 18 to shoot. Pinasa kay Nateman. Nateman! Power move! Two points! Time out, rep! Espadero, Espadero. Rios, 2 points! Time out, rep! Time out, rep! Time out! Unang isa, anyone's ball. Last 18 seconds. Sino? Rep, pag na-shoot, time out ah. 12 to shoot. Corner 3. 8 to shoot. No good. Rebound ni Aquino. Time out, rep! Time out, rep! Time out, rep! Last 5 seconds. Inbound play. Santos making kay Espadero. 4, 2, 1. Team Black ng isa. 73-72 ang score. What a buzzer beater by Rios. And what a... Kung sino pa mga Okay.